Hello everyone.
In this video I am going to show how you can change your voice in Audacity.
You can make funny voices like this.
And make even more funnier voices like this.
Watch the video till the end to find out how you can change your voice. And let's get right into the video. First, open Audacity. As you can see that I am speaking normally and natural, but I can change my voice at any time. Then, select all of your audio by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Then click on Effect. Click on Change Pitch. In the Change Pitch window, move the slider to the left to make your voice sound deeper.
As you can see that I am speaking normally and natural,
And move the slider to the right to make your sound higher.
As you can see that I am speaking normally and natural, but I can change my voice at any time.
When you have adjusted your slider to your requirements, click on OK. One helpful tip from me, make your voice a little bit louder by clicking on Effect. Click on Normalize. Then click on OK. So, what this does is that it reduces the louder noise, and increases the lower noise. Thus, equal volume is maintained throughout the audio. I would suggest that you leave the settings to default because Audacity does a pretty good job in making your voice sound equal the entire audio. That's it guys, I hope this video helped you out. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you never miss out any of my awesome videos. And, thanks for watching.